Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your food and beverage business on Durable, easy and quick. First, type Durable, enter the website. As we know, Durable is a website that offers products or services that are designed to last a long time and resist wear and tear. And also, as we know, you can build a website in just 30 seconds with AI. Also, this website builder can generate an entire website with image and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in with Google. Create new business. So enter your business name and enter your industry. Select your industry and enter your location and choose your website language. And after this, click here, create business, and wait this to generate. So let's go to the first section here. You can edit it from here, and now you can edit the site name. You can also turn this on and upload the file from here. You can also turn this on and change your label. You can add a label here. Also, you can add external link, and you can open link in new page just like this. And you can manage these social links. And after this, just click save, and it will be saved. Apply. And here, if you want to add the section, any section you want here, just select any section, and that's it. Let's move on to the next section. You can edit this from here, the banner. You can change this, and also you can regenerate it. So let's move to the subtext. You can also regenerate this, and also here you find the button. You can add, you can change the label, or add a label here, or uh, just turn it off and click save if you don't want to add a label. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is the image section. You can regenerate it if you want, like this. You can also manage the image position, and after this, click save. So let's move on to the next section. The next section, click here, edit, and you can regenerate this from here. As you see here, you can regenerate it. So after this, click save, and let's move on to the next section. The next section is our services. Just click edit, and you can change this from here. You can also change the display settings. You can manage your image, your heading, your content, your button of the website. And after this, click save, and it will be saved. So let's move on to the next section here, and you can manage this. You can add a testimonial here, like this. And after this, click here, and it will be saved. And let's move on to the next section, the gallery section. Edits, and you can change this. You can also generate images. If you don't like this image, just generate, or you can upload also image from your library, or from, you can upload from browser, or just from here. Let's see, let's choose some photos from here. I'm gonna choose this, click here, and it will be uploaded here. So if we complete this, let's go to the next section. The next section is the location section. Just click edit, and you can change this, the heading, or you can just change the address from here, and that's it. After this, after you change your address, just click save, and it will be saved. So let's move on to the next section. Click edit from here. You can regenerate this if you want. Also here you can manage files from here, and also here you can custom input labels. You can add name, you can add email, you can add a message, and you can add this send button. You can generate this if you want, or regenerate it if you don't like this. So after you regenerate or regenerate, click save, and let's move on to the next section. So this is the last section. The last section, click here. You can change your business name. You can also here upload a file from here. You can add additional details, and you can turn this on and add any label here, or you can add also external link. And after this, just click save, and it will be saved. So apply this. Before we complete this editing of this website, uh, you can regenerate any section you want. You can regenerate the content or the style. For me, I want to regenerate this, the content, or you can also regenerate the style. Also, you can, if you don't like the entire section, just click regenerate entire section, and it will be regenerated. Also, if you want to duplicate a section, just click here, and it will be duplicated. If you want also to delete, just click on this icon of delete and click here, and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down, just click here. Also, we find this device settings. We find this device settings. So here you can also ask anything you want, and here we find the website style settings. You can manage this, and here we find the support settings, and here we find the view website settings here. So if you done from this, click save. So after this, you find the publish here. Wait a minute. So here we find the publish. Click on it, and that's it. You're gonna create a website easy and quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.